Good morning, class. Today we will do the remaining reading. Book page number 12. Take out the book page number 12. We will do the remaining reading which we have left in our previous class. Okay, now book page number 12. Book page number 12 and paragraph number 2nd. Okay, previous reading, what we have learned that her parents do the job in the different offices and they talk about their day on the dinner table. But what happened on the table class? One day Amna suddenly said, I have the same lunch every day, the same dinner most days, and I have never been to a proper restaurant. One day she said that I usually take the same dinner and same lunch. We should take you to a restaurant, Dad said. And what Dad said? He said, we should take you a restaurant. Which one would you like to go to? Asked Mom. Amna shrugged her shoulders. What is the meaning of shrug, class? Shrug means when you deny it by moving your shoulders. Her dad had an idea. I will bring home some menus next week and you can choose a restaurant to go to the next Saturday. Her dad gave the idea that he will bring some menus and then she can easily choose the restaurant. On Friday night, the family read through the menus. One restaurant served food from all over the world. Its menu had pictures of famous landmarks on front. Amna chose that one and her parents explained all the different dishes to her. Amna chose the one restaurant and her parents explain what are the dishes of that restaurants. They talk excitedly about the big plates full of delicious food that Amna would be able to try. Amna did not eat much dinner that night. She did not eat much dinner. Why? Because she was too excited. She read the menu before she went to bed. She read the menu before she went to bed. Before she was going to sleeping. I can't decide whether to have the British fish and chips or the French chicken, she said to her mum. Her mum laughed and joked, maybe you can have one of each thing on the menu. During the night, Amna had a dream. She walked into the restaurant with her parents and sat at a table. What she dreamed that night, she dreamed that she went to a one restaurant and with her parents and sat on the table, covered in a smart white cloth. There was a big tray in front of her and a team of waiters started putting food on it. Amna began to eat. First she tried some delicious Chinese dumplings and then some spicy Italian meatballs. Amna was happily enjoying the food, but the waiters continued to bring her more and more dishes. What were waiters doing in the dream? They were bringing the more and more dishes, each one piled high with amazing meals. Amna's mouth was full, her stomach was full, and she wanted. Come to the next page, class. Book page number 14. And she wanted to stop eating. She wanted to stop eating because her stomach and mouth was full. But the waiters kept bringing more and more food. Her parents, the restaurant owner and her head teacher were all standing around the table saying, eat up, don't waste the food. What she was dreaming that her parents, the restaurant owner and the head teacher were standing in a dream and they were saying, eat up, don't waste the food. And the food kept piling up and Amna had to keep eating. Her stomach had swollen like a balloon. It was starting to hurt. No more, please, no more, she shouted. What she shouted? No more food, no more food. Suddenly, Amna woke up. She woke up from her dream. Her bed cover was twisted around her and her hands were over her mouth. Where were her hand? Her hand was on her mouth. Her mother came into her room, Come on, get ready. We have a lot to do before your special treat, and I need your help. Her mother ordered her for some work. Mom, my stomach hurts, said Amna. Amna said, my stomach hurts. You are probably hungry, she said. Her mother said that you are feeling hungry, that's why your stomach is hurting, replied Mom. Think of all the lovely things you can have at lunch time. Amna ground means she said, oh, quite quietly and started to get ready. She ate a tiny breakfast and tried not to think about her dream. As she helped her parents with the chores, by lunchtime she was very hungry and was still a bit worried. She was very hungry at the lunchtime but was very worried. At the restaurant, she looked at all the strange sounding names of the exotic dishes and listened to her parents talking about what they might have. What is the meaning of exotic? It means that a different dishes names. What is the meaning of exotic dishes? Exotic dishes means a different dishes, strange dishes names. And listen to her parents talking about what they might have. Her parents seemed very happy and Amna did not want to ruin it for them. Then she saw something and smiled. What she saw, we will read in the next paragraph. When the waiter came to take their orders, Amna's father ordered a Moroccan stew and her mother chose the Russian specialty. And for you, madam, waiter asked the waiter. What waiter asked? He said, for you, madam. Amna said, I would like my favorite rice and curry, please. She ordered the same dish what she take in the lunch sometime and the dinner sometime. Her parents looked surprised and then laughed. Excellent choice, madam, said the waiter. Okay, class, this is your reading. Now we will go for our question answer. And what we will do, class, I am just reading the question answer. What you will do, you will first, after the word filling, you will do the question answer, class. In the question answer, we have 4 question answer. Where does Amna live? We have learned in chapter, we have done in lesson, class. Amna lives in a small apartment. She lives in a small apartment. What does Amna do over the weekend? We have learned it too. Amna goes to library and to her gymnastic class and shop for food. Why do you think Amna choose restaurants with famous landmark? Because that restaurant serve food from all over the world. Why are Amna's parents surprised by what she ordered at the same restaurant? Ordered at the restaurant. It is our last paragraph. Because Amna ordered the dish she eats daily at home. She ordered the dish she eats daily at home. Now class, after the question answer, you have one more word and that is RTC, reference to the context. Class, in this exercise, you will do it in copy. In exercise B, we have 3 questions. What kind of food did this restaurant serve? This restaurant served food from all over the world. What is mean by famous landmark? Give one example. An easily recognizable place. Example, Minar-e-Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Tomb. These kind of landmarks. Name some of the dishes it served. The British fish and chips and French chicken. This is your word, class. After the question answer, you will do for the words meaning. After the words meaning, you will do the question answer. Words meaning we have done in our last class. Okay. After this, you will do the question answer. Then after RTC. Class, after this word, you will make sure you will make your index. 20 date, question answer lesson number 1. Then RTC lesson number 1. This is your all work class and you will do at your home class, and after